Jubilance.
Hello guys, let's learn how to draw a Christmas tree. First take a scale, draw a straight line, then two slanting lines and make it a triangle by drawing a sleeping line, and from the top draw two sleeping lines as shown in the video. Now draw two curved lines and close it with wavy lines as shown in the video. Then draw a stem. Now erase those pencil marks. Draw 4 droplets surrounding the star. Draw small circles for decorating the Christmas tree. Now we are going to draw eyes for Christmas tree. Draw two circles. Inside that circle, draw smaller circles. Then color it with black color. But remember not to color that smaller circles. Now it's coloring time. Color the tree with green color. Christmas tree started to blinking. For star, yellow color, and for decoration you can use red, black and yellow. Red color for stem. Then highlight with black marker. Don't forget to highlight with a black marker to make the picture bright.